What is the internal temperature for a perfect prime rib cooked at 225?
Hello and welcome to our discussion on cooking the perfect prime rib. Today, we'll be focusing on the all-important internal temperature that can make or break your prime rib. Understanding and mastering the internal temperature is key to achieving that juicy, succulent prime rib we all love.
What is prime rib?
Prime rib, also known as a standing rib roast, is a cut from the primal rib, one of the 8 primal cuts of beef. It's an exceptionally tender and flavorful cut of beef that's a popular choice for roasting.
Importance of cooking temperature.
The temperature at which you cook your prime rib is a vital part of the process. The recommended oven temperature is 225 degrees Fahrenheit. This low and slow approach allows for a more even cook throughout the meat, preserving the meat's natural juices and flavors.
Achieving the perfect internal temperature.
Now, the real question. What is the perfect internal temperature for a prime rib cooked at 225 degrees Fahrenheit? The answer depends on your preferred level of doneness. Here's a quick guideline. For a rare prime rib, aim for an internal temperature of 120 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. If you prefer medium rare, the internal temperature should be around 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. A medium prime rib will reach an internal temperature of 140 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. For a medium well-done prime rib, aim for 150 to 155 degrees Fahrenheit. If you like your prime rib well done, it should have an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit or more. Remember, these temperatures are the target when you remove the prime rib from the oven. The meat's internal temperature will continue to rise by about 5 degrees during the resting period due to residual heat. And there we have it. By understanding the importance of internal temperature and using these guidelines, you'll be well on your way to cooking the perfect prime rib at 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Always use a good quality meat thermometer to ensure accuracy. We hope this guide has been helpful. Happy cooking!